self-destruct.
I think Tick can't hear us, maybe.
This area will
Now
self-destruct.
why would you go and do something like that? Didn't you see the sign that said do not push this button? How will we finish testing with the self-destruct mechanism active?
I know it's gonna get hard.
Turn away.
Shock blast move. Don't run into them on.
Wonderful!
This area will self-destruct in 9 minutes.
Barely a dent, moving right along.
There's another achievement we'll have to try sometime in here when we're not doing hard mode.
Behold, the VX-001 Anti-Personnel Assault Cannon! You might want to take cover.
This area will self-destruct in 8 minutes.
Okay, no Yuna.
Thank you, friends. Your efforts have yielded some fantastic data. Now, where
Just try
did I
not-
put- Oh, out there.
At least keep the fire bots alive and don't attack them, and they can extinguish the fire and help make things easy.
It's really hard to spot the ants in the fly.
The magnificent
If you have your
aerial
nameplates on, you can
command
see them.
unit.
Seb, where are you?
That's a good suggestion.
See, like right there,
Over here?
that's a fire bot. Don't attack. Somebody attack.
This area will self-destruct.
That's a
in
bomb
7
bot. Take that
minutes.
up. See?
Assault ball is dead.
Preliminary testing phase.
Can't get another one.
Now comes the true test.
It's assembling.
Dropping it. Alright, remember. Me kick
It's
up.
full.
Gaze upon its magnificence. Bask in
Remember the
its
shock
glorious
blast on the bottom. That's probably the bad thing.
glory. I present you with the
This area will self-destruct in 6 minutes.
Go on middle.
Top is going down pretty quick. Shit, I stepped on a mine.
Shock blast gave away. Okay, here we go.
Okay, just burn them.
area will self-destruct in 5 minutes.
Get the heck, get the heck.
Self-destruct sequence.
Holy crap.
Nice.
Oh,
Eight,
Sweet.